Today was our third day on the island of Koh Samui. We had planned a very slow day, spending most of the day relaxing at the beach. After changing hotels to a beachfront location, we did a little drone flying over the hotel. Its pools, and the nearby beach area. We had to stop flying when a strong wind started blowing. The hotel had a very pleasant beachfront area with tables and umbrellas for the exclusive use of guests. We moved to a nearby small beachfront restaurant where we had a good lunch of chicken breast with salad, a burger, and Thai minced chicken with basil. All at locals' prices rather than the overpriced hotel fare nearby. During lunch, a local came by to serenade us and tried to sell us one of the flutes he was playing. I gave him 100 bahts to play a short song for us. Since the weather had turned cloudy, we abandoned the beach and took a taxi to the Cats Café Samui. Where we played with the kitties while enjoying some delicious coconut milkshakes. After dark, we went to Coco Tams, a large, multi-story beachside restaurant renowned for its fire shows. We had a dinner of Italian food, then watched the fire show, which was accompanied by a DJ. The music has been muted for copyright reasons. entire show was spectacular and incorporated some gymnastics and fire effects that I had not seen before. As we left the restaurant, I noticed this badly aligned laser image projected over the entrance. We walked through the adjacent Fisherman's Village area, which had the usual mix of tourist trinket and artwork stores, clothing stores, and cannabis dispensaries. We headed back to the hotel for the night. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.